Hi everyone, I'm Musharraf from Lineicons. So today I'm gonna show the Figma plugin for Lineicons that we already released very recently. So I will show you how it works and what you can do. So first of all, you have to scroll down to the lineicons.com. From footer, you will have the link to Figma plugin. So when you click on it, this will load the plugin page from Figma plugin directory. So then you have to click on try it out. This will load a playground file. It will create a draft actually. So it is actually installed when you click on the run. So it is actually running. So it's running smooth. From here you can see all the available icons. I mean exactly same as the site. And when you click on the icon that you need, it will be pulled from icon, yeah, plugin too here. So it's like copy pasting an svg here, like virtually. You can also search here. For example, if I search for Twitter icon, so yeah, Twitter is here. So you can also use the drag option. So I'm using drag option here. This is a pyramid, so dragging this on here. So see, this is already dragged here. So you can also use the filtering option. So right now we have regular and light, but soon the fill versions will be available. So you can also filter. So for example, as you can see, the first few icons are yeah, regular, right? So for I need light only, right? Okay, so it is gone filtered. And whenever you will click premium icons, this will load a model. So in this case you have to log into your pro account. You can log in from here. When you log in, then you can access all those icons just like our websites. So let me know what you think, and of course you can run the plugin. I mean, since you already installed it, you can run the plugin from any Figma page, I mean Figma file, or even application. So that's all for today. So let me know what you think and take care. Bye.